What's up, squad? It's your main man, Really Rails, back again with another video. And as you can see behind me, that's the beautiful, the amazing, my new 2019 Dodge Charger 392 Daytona edition. And of course, you know, this is gonna be the actual first, you know, somewhat modification to the car. I got the windows tinted yesterday. I will let y'all see that once I'm done doing what I'm doing today. So today, you know, we got to, we got to brand the Charger. We got to brand the 392. And of course, today I got the YouTube decal with the YouTube vinyl. And of course, I got the Instagram vinyls, small ones to go on the windows or whatnot. You can't beat that big Hemi decal right there, right? And of course, you know, we got to make sure you clean off the surfaces before. You got to clean off the surfaces before, you know what I'm saying? So make sure that you're not putting any kind of, you know, any of your stuff on any dirty parts of the window. So I'm pretty sure everybody pretty much know that. So like I said, so far, man, I'm in love with this car, man. This car is so amazing. From, you know, the style and the horsepower, especially the horsepower, is crazy. And of course, I don't know, I want y'all to let me know, when people assume that, you know, you got a fast car, do they automatically try you? Let me know if they try y'all. Let me know down in the comments if y'all get tried a lot out there. But you know, it seems like I only had the car 2 days, and everybody that comes up beside me wants to try me, you know. But I say, you know what, I'm in my break-in period, only got like 59 miles on it right now, so I'm gonna take it easy or whatever. But I'm telling anybody out there right now, once I hit this break-in period, I want all the smoke. I'm talking about I want all the smoke. So you know, I'm about to, like I said, I'm about to go ahead and put these decals on there so we can, you know, brand this Charger for the channel, you know what I mean? So if you guys need any decals, any graphics done, please hit me up. You know, let me know down in the comments below, and you know, we can, you know, email or whatever. Let me know. I got an amazing hookup for you. I got an amazing turnaround for you. That's the key thing. The turnaround time is unbelievable. I can't tell you how quick I got mine because yours might not be that quick, but I'm pretty sure it'll beat any company. There'll be any company out there as far as the timing. So get a hold of me and let me know, and I'll make sure that I put you in touch with the hookup. So all right, so I'm about to go ahead and get to put this on. I'm gonna let y'all see it when I get done. I'll be back in 2, 3, 4 of them things. What's up, what's up? It's your main man, Really Rails, back, right back, came back, told y'all I was coming back. You know, I just got done putting the new vinyl decals on the car that I got. And like I said, if you guys need the hookup, please hit me up because I got the hookup for you. And we're gonna make sure that, you know, we get you straight. If you actually wanna get in touch with them on Instagram, it's Ash_Suze. So I'll put that, make sure I put that in the description as well as right here. So Ash_Suze. Make sure you hit her up. She'll definitely hook you up. Best turnaround time ever, and the product is bananas. So without further ado, here we go. So first and foremost, here are the small back rear driver's side window, that little small window. So I got the Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @TheRallyRails. I didn't do anything to the back window this time because, of course, it's actually has more of an angle than my Camaro has. So you know, switched the game up on it this time. So, and of course, this is the other side, the exact same thing at @TheRallyRails on Instagram. And you know, you can see the window tint job. Let me know what y'all think about that. I think it's a pretty good job. I didn't want to go illegal and do like 5% or anything like that, so I stuck with 35%. That's here in Tennessee. So, and of course, from the front, this is where I'm at. TheRallyRails. Dope font. I went with a different font than I did last time because this is the more of aggressive car, so I wanted more of an aggressive font. So don't forget to subscribe. TheRallyRails. You know, man, I think this is all I need to do to the car visually. You know what I mean? I don't know of anything else that I would want to do to the car. I don't know anything else I would want to do to the car visually. You know what I'm saying? Gotta love those 6-pin Brembo brakes down there. I mean, they stop you on a dime. You know, I love my 392 badge. So I think that she looks good. Y'all comment down below and let me know what you think. Like I said, hit me up on Instagram. Daytona, baby. And I think, like I said, I told you on the other video, I am gonna debadge this shortly. So, I mean, man, I love everything about this car, especially these are functional, you know what I'm saying? Keep those brakes cool. So, make sure, let me show you one more time now, at The Rally Rails, you know, on Instagram. And of course, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Rally Rails. Love that Hemi sign right there, that Hemi graphic. Gotta love that. So, but that's it, y'all. I know y'all like when I bring y'all along for, you know, everything that I do to the cars. So this, you know, this is a new one, like I said. Only got a few miles on it, so not even 100 miles yet. So, you know, there's, you know, some modifications we're gonna do visually. She's probably gonna stay like that for the most part, unless I find, you know, something else or whatnot. But there are gonna be some things we're gonna do. I am gonna do an in-depth review on the car though. I wanted to drive it a couple 100 miles before I did that, so I can, you know, check everything out, try just about everything. I might wait until after the break-in period, which is 500 miles, so that way I can, you know, try to launch and the line lock maybe. So we'll see what's up. But, you know, as always, I appreciate y'all coming along. If you have any feedback for the channel, please put it below. I had a subscriber hit me up today and made a suggestion, and you know what? You guys are the reason why, you know, I get traction. I got traction on the channel now. It's a new channel, but you guys are the reason I got traction. You know, we're a little over 80 subscribers right now. So when you guys make suggestions, trust me, I read it, I respond, and I take it in. You know what I mean? And the suggestion that was made was a really good suggestion. So I will take that and implement it. So without further ado, I'm about to get up out of here, going up in the crib, take it easy, and I'll see you guys next time.